Hi friends, welcome to Visava Foods channel. Today we are going to make egg Manchurian. I have taken boiled eggs, so we are going to prepare Manchurian from boiled eggs. So let's see the ingredients. Friends, here I have taken boiled eggs which I have cut into pieces. 1 teaspoon of rice flour, 2 teaspoon of maida, that is all purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of chane ka atta, that is besan we call it, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, half teaspoon of red chili powder, salt. All these things you can adjust according to your taste. Friends, I have taken cabbage, carrot, red capsicum, that is red bell pepper, spring onion, red chili powder, crushed ginger garlic, salt, black pepper crushed, 2 green chilies crushed. 2 teaspoon of curd I will take. I am going to take white vinegar. Friends, I am going to take oil while making the recipe. So let's start. Friends, now I will mix all these things. Chili powder, corn flour, chane ka atta, that is besan, chickpea flour, rice flour. I will mix it together. Mix properly. Friends, now I will add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Then I will add 2 teaspoon of curd. And by adding little water, I will make the paste of all these flours so that we can coat the boiled eggs with this paste. I am adding little water. By adding little water, we can make a smooth paste. Now this paste is ready. Now I will put the eggs. We will coat the eggs. Now the eggs are coated nicely with this paste. Now I will fry these eggs. I have kept the pan with oil. It is getting hot now. Now I will add the eggs and we will fry all the eggs in the same manner. We will fry the eggs till it becomes little crispy. It may take 3 to 4 minutes. Now the eggs are fried. I am removing it. Friends, here the eggs are fried nicely. I have kept the pan. I have added 2 teaspoon of oil. It is getting hot. Now I will be adding crushed ginger, garlic and chilies. I will fry it till they become little brown. Friends, now I will be adding all the vegetables. It is cabbage, carrot, red bell pepper, spring onions, and we will fry these vegetables for 2 minutes. Now I will be adding red chili powder. Chili powder you can adjust according to your taste. I will be adding little soya sauce also. That is nearly 2 to 3 teaspoon. And we will fry the vegetables for 1 to 2 minutes till it becomes little soft. Now I will mix it properly. Friends, now I will be adding 1 cup of vinegar, little salt. You have to add salt very little as the soya sauce also has salt in it. So I have added salt very little. Then I am mixing it properly. Friends, now I am adding 3 teaspoons of soya sauce. First I had added 3 teaspoons of soya sauce. Now again 3 teaspoons, that is 6 teaspoons of soya sauce I have added. Now 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup I am adding. You can adjust the soya sauce according to your taste. Mix it properly and then we are going to add the cornstarch slurry. I had taken 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 4 teaspoons of water, and I made a slurry of cornstarch that I have added here, and I will mix it properly and then I am going to add the boiled eggs. Friends, mix the eggs with the vegetables gently, otherwise the coating may come out. So we have to be very careful. I have mixed it properly and I am adding coriander leaves. Our recipe is ready. Friends, now I will serve it with some salad. Friends, my delicious egg Manchurian is ready. I have served it with salad and I have made a flour from tomato peel. Friends, if you like my recipe of boiled egg Manchurian, so please like, share and subscribe to Visava Foods channel. Thank you and have a nice day.